Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how you take your character who already has his hair converted to curves and take those curves and clean them up. Say you have some weird stuff going on that you didn't intend to convert over, or you didn't really have any choice in the matter. You can get rid of that. Essentially what you have to do is you click on your curve group, you go to edit mode, and in edit mode you get some funky looking stuff, but essentially you can highlight, hit the delete key, delete segments or vertices, and you may have to flip back and forth between object mode and edit mode to actually see what's going on. But essentially I know I want to get rid of any of the hair in front of the ear and on top of the ear because it's not realistic. So I've deleted a bunch already, and now in object mode you can see that there's more to delete. It's the yellow strands, the other strands are the particle strands, which if you want to turn off the particle system, I can show you how to do that so you can see how it's supposed to look. So in the particle properties, you just go here and you just mute these out, and now you're left with only the curves. So if you click on the curves, we go back to edit mode. We can finish cleaning this up. Just gotta be careful not to delete anything important. And that's essentially it. Pretty simplistic process. And you can see it's already getting better. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial.